Now next question, which boring machine having the highest accuracy? यानी हमें पता करना है जो दी गई बोरिंग मशीन्स हैं उनमें से किसमें सबसे हाईएस्ट एक्यूरेसी होती है. ऑप्शंस गिवन आर वर्टिकल बोरिंग मशीन, हॉरिजॉन्टल बोरिंग मशीन, प्रिसीजन बोरिंग मशीन एंड जिग बोरिंग मशीन. ड्यूरिंग discussion of boring machines, we discussed that jig boring machine is having very high accuracy. So here correct answer is option D. Jig boring machines are having the highest accuracy. In jig boring machines, there are provision of higher degree of accuracy and provision of accurately locating the holes. Provision of higher degree of accuracy is achieved through rigidity of boring bars, boring tools and boring machine components. Material of jig boring machine is made of that is having low thermal expansion. And along with these provisions, jig boring machine is operated in a thermally controlled environment, so it gives very high accuracy. Next question, number of cutting edge or cutting edges can be used as cutter of a boring bar is. यानी बोरिंग बार में लगाया जाने वाला जो कटर है उसमें नंबर ऑफ कटिंग एजेस कितनी हो सकती हैं, यानी कौन सा कटर यूज करते हैं, सिंगल पॉइंट कटर, डबल पॉइंट कटर, मल्टीपल पॉइंट कटर और नन ऑफ दी अब. तो वी नो इन बोरिंग ऑपरेशन boring tool used is single point cutting tool. So here correct answer will be option A, single point cutter. Here it should be also noted that while doing boring with boring heads, we can accommodate multiple number of cutting tools on boring heads. So if we talk about single cutter, then it is single point cutter, and if we want to know the number of cutting edges, then we have to tell number of cutting tools accommodating boring head. Next question, maximum spindle diameter of a horizontal boring machine is. हॉरिजेंटल बोरिंग मशीन में स्पिंडल का मैक्सिमम डायमीटर क्या हो सकता है? ऑप्शंस गिवन आर 120 मिलीमीटर, 260 मिलीमीटर, 360 मिलीमीटर, 400 millimeter. We have discussed that size of horizontal boring machine is specified by maximum diameter of its spindle, and that can range from 75 millimeter to 355 millimeter. So maximum possible spindle diameter is 355 mm and closest to this option C, 360 millimeter. So here correct answer is C. The maximum spindle diameter of a horizontal boring machine is 360 millimeter. Now next question, maximum diameter of machine table of a vertical boring machine is. यानी वर्टिकल बोरिंग मशीन में मशीन टेबल का मैक्सिमम डायमीटर क्या हो सकता है? ऑप्शंस गिवन आर 600 मिलीमीटर, 900 मिलीमीटर, 6000 मिलीमीटर, 9000 millimeter. The size of vertical boring machine is specified by diameter of its table or its chuck. Sometimes it is also by swing diameter of largest work that can be accommodated on its table. So maximum diameter of machine table is gives us size of vertical boring machine. And there are two type of vertical boring machines. First one is vertical turret lathe, and second one is standard vertical boring machine. When we talk about diameter of table in vertical turret lathe, it can vary from 600 millimeter to 2000 millimeter, while the diameter of table in standard vertical boring machine may be as high as 6000 millimeter. So the maximum diameter of machine table of a vertical boring machine. So we have to find that, according to which we have to give our answer. So when we talk about vertical boring machine, then generally we are talking about standard vertical boring machine. So we have to give our answer according to standard vertical boring machine. So C is correct answer. 6000 millimeter is maximum diameter of machine table of a vertical boring machine. Next question. The boring machine is mainly used to bore holes. यानी बोरिंग मशीन किस तरह के होल्स को बोर करने के लिए काम में आती है? तो वी हैव टू फिल दिस ब्लैंक. ऑप्शंस गिवन आर स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज, नन ऑफ दी अबव. हमने पढ़ा कि जो स्मॉलर होल्स होते हैं या कंपोनेंट सिमेट्रिकल है, तो उनमें जो होल्स हैं उन्हें हम लेथ मशीन पर भी बोरिंग ऑपरेशन के द्वारा एनलार्ज कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर हमारे वर्क पीस कॉम्प्लिकेटेड शेप्स के हैं, हैवी हैं, लार्ज हैं, तब हम बोरिंग मशीन्स का प्रयोग करते हैं. सो बोरिंग मशीन इज मेनली यूज्ड टू बोर लार्ज होल्स. नेक्स्ट, इन बोरिंग मशीन supports the cutter for boring operation on jobs having large diameters. It means which of these supports the cutter? Supports the cutter for boring operation on job having large diameter. Two conditions are given to support the cutter and for jobs having large diameter. We know to support or mount the cutter in boring operations performed on boring machines, there are two equipment. One is boring bar and another is boring head. These are not for mounting or supporting the cutter in boring operation. So we have to find whether it is boring bar or whether it is boring head. हमने देखा बोरिंग बार मैक्सिमम डायमीटर की होनी चाहिए और मिनिमम लेंथ की होनी चाहिए. चूंकि स्पिंडल की साइज के लिमिटेशन के कारण बोरिंग बार का डायमीटर भी लिमिटेड होता है. लेकिन अगर हमें लार्ज डायमीटर होल्स को बोरिंग करना है, उसके लिए हम बोरिंग हेड का प्रयोग करते हैं. बोरिंग हेड को बोरिंग बार पर लगाया जाता है और ये मैक्सिमम परमिसिबल डायमीटर का बना होता है. बोरिंग हेड पर हम मल्टीपल कटर्स लगा सकते हैं. तो यहां ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट होगा. दैट मीन इन बोरिंग मशीन बोरिंग हेड सपोर्ट्स द कटर फॉर बोरिंग ऑपरेशन ऑन जॉब्स हैविंग लार्ज डायमीटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वर्टिकल टर्रेट लेंथ इज ऑप्शन गिवन आर हॉरिजॉन्टल बोरिंग मशीन, वर्टिकल बोरिंग मशीन, इंक्लाइंड बोरिंग मशीन, precision boring machine. We know vertical turret lathe is a type of vertical boring machine. So correct answer is B. There are two types of vertical boring machine. One is vertical turret lathe. Second is standard vertical boring machine. Vertical turret lathe is limited for smaller workpiece or it is having small size, while standard vertical boring machine is for boring operation on large or heavy workpiece and its size is very large. Next question. boring tool is mounted on. Boring tool is mounted on. Options given are boring bar, boring head, all of the above, none of the above. We have studied that boring tool is mounted on two equipments in horizontal boring machine, that are boring bar and boring head. Both are used to mount the boring tool in horizontal boring machines. So here both of these are correct, and all of the above is given. So correct answer here is option C. Now next question, which of boring machine is used for machining surfaces rapidly as well as accurately? Options given are horizontal boring machine, vertical boring machine, jig boring machine, precision boring machine. High accuracy can be obtained with jig boring and precision boring machines. We know in jig boring, due to locating the holes or measuring the distance, it is time consuming, but precision boring is used for machining surfaces very rapidly. So the answer matches for given question is precision boring machine. Correct one is D. Next question, in a boring machine, headstock and end supporting block may be moved. In a boring machine, headstock and end supporting block may be moved. यानी बोरिंग मशीन में हेडस्टॉक एंड एंड सपोर्टिंग ब्लॉक किस तरह मूव किया जा सकता है. यहाँ जब एंड सपोर्टिंग ब्लॉक की बात कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये बोरिंग मशीन हॉरिजॉन्टल बोरिंग मशीन की बात कर रहा है. is talking about as we have seen that in horizontal boring machine there is a headstock column, in another side of table there is hand supporting column, on the headstock column there is headstock, while on the end supporting column there is a bearing block, and these headstock and bearing block can be moved up or down on the column. So correct answer here will be up and down on the column. This one, option A is correct. Sideways on column, it is not true. Inclined, not true. None of the above, not true. So correct one is A.